gosh. Look at this.
Aw.
That is so cute. Are you kidding me? Is this a goat? It is. It is. It is. Guys, I usually don't advocate for like buying new stuff. But it's a pill holder. That is so, I'm sorry guys, I'm buying it. I'm sorry. I have to. It's goat. It's a goat. It's goat themed. It's goat themed. I'll use it, I swear. It's not a cow. It literally says goat. And he has a beard and horns. Dog treats first and then goat treats. Guys, I love Tractor Supply, okay? I really, well, the way that they organize shit is not awesome. I will be honest with you. Okay, anyway, here's some dog treats we got. We got stuff. What do I get Eric's dogs? I could get them some dental chews, perhaps, some greenies. But I don't want to, okay, let's actually use our brains here. I don't want to get chews that take them any time at all, because then they'll fight. And I'm not dealing with them fighting. So they have to be able to they have to be poppable, you know? So maybe we'll do these, because they can just, you know? Yeah. I would rather touch these than those, because I know those are like soft and will get on my fingers. But these are like crackers. Oh my gosh, you know what? This.
Sorry, right there.
This brand. Oh. There's someone right there. Okay, goat treats, which are gonna be around the corner. Apple. I'm not gonna do a poll. I'm just gonna pick one.
Can I give my opinion?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Apple and berry.
I feel like berry, there's multiple. There's like.
There's not.
Well, it's like, but there's multiple vibes. There's like multiple flavor blasts. You know what I mean? Apple is just very mono. You know what I mean?
Okay, alright. We'll do berry then.
What name are y'all posting under?
Oh, it's Maya.
Maya?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll check it out.
Thank you.
I like those little videos
Oh,
on social media.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one for our store.
Thank you. Hi. This lens is phenomenal. Yeah, we put the zoom lens on today so Chandler could like show goats closer. This is okay, look at this. This is my new goat pouch, and it's a pill holder. So it has these little sections, or you can like put pills in here. And I'm considering, no, probably not. It's not big enough. I was considering putting earrings in here and using it as like a travel jewelry case, which I might just use this as a travel jewelry case and put my earrings and necklaces and stuff in here when I travel. It's so cute. It's so cute. Will he have a name? Yes. Would have been awesome for coins if people still use those. Yeah, that was my first thought, but like, who has coins? Francis. I feel like I should just load up my pockets instead of carrying the bags around. Because I also don't need to go through all of them today. You know? And I got like cargo pockets today, so I'm just gonna do that. So here's some dog treats. Dog treats. We're just gonna, oh gosh. Dog treats in my left pocket, goat treats in my right. He has a lot of dogs, guys. Okay, I think that's good. Dog treats. Check. Goat treats. Berry flavored. Oh no. Oh. Okay. What's in here? These are really little. I feel like babies can eat these if they're eating hay. Is that crazy? First stop, puppy pasture.
Sunny Crab resubbed for 3 months.
Sonny, thank you. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the puppy pasture. Hurry up and walk in before the dogs come out. Okay, everybody. These are the puppies. Most of them are puppies anyway. Hi, sorry. Like they're less than a year old. I mean, puppies. Hi, the puppies. And I'm gonna give them some treats. Okay, everybody. Everybody needs to be cool and normal about this, okay? Okay. This is for you. This is for you. Do you want? Do you want it? You could eat it. Yay. Do you want it? Yeah. Here you go. That's nice. Do you want it? A treat for you. Yeah. He likes it. Look how cute he is. So gentle. Good boy. Do you want another one? For you. Yeah. Treats. Yay. Ducat. Ducat can be kind of mean, so she's... Ducat. Ducat, come. Do you want that? For you. That's for you, and you mind your own with it. This for you. I'm the treat lady. He really likes him. This is his third one. Oh gosh. Alright. Here, Chandler, get behind me. So you can, the POV, you know. Oh! Here's one, nice. And then here's another one, just nice. And then here's another one. Yay. Puppy treats. Yay. Yay. For those of you who don't know, these are Anatolian Shepherds. Here you go. You want? Okay, no, that's it. And then one more for Ducat, and then that's all, y'all. One more for Ducat. Nice lady. Okay. That's it. That's all the treats I got. I'm lying. I don't have any more, okay? That's it. I don't have any more. Oh.
Papa 1 resubbed for 7 months. Give Pup more match.
No, they're in my pockets. We gotta go, Chandler. We gotta leave. No! Chad, help. I gotta go. I gotta go. No! Bye, guys. Hi, Goliath. What?
I want to cry. They're so cute.
Because they're cute. This is Goliath. She's a little older. Do you want a treat? That's for you, if you want it. Do you want it? You can eat it. She doesn't want it. Goya doesn't want it. God. Dogs looking through fence. They've had a bunch of treats. Hi! Who's this? Hi, Tatlum. What are you doing? Tatlum, I think, is his scariest looking dog.
He's big.
Yeah, he's huge. He's so nice. Oh, chat, wait. This is the new baby. This is the one that was born. Tatlum, it's fine. This is the baby that was born yesterday.
That thing was born yesterday.
Yeah. He's cute. Hi,
Oh.
I see you. You can come over here. Oh, not the big, that's the mother.
Oh my, I was like,
New baby. Yeah,
I
he's
like the
cute,
black
Mom.
ones.
Do you want a goat treat? I don't know if you'll be into this. You might be kind of scared maybe, but would you take this if I gave it to you? Here, look. Do you want? They're nice. It's treats for Mom. Treats for Mom. You like it? More treats for Mom. What are you doing? Under my hand, there's nothing. Paper Pug, wow.
Marshmallows underscore is subbed for 5 months. Love to see the neighbors sock huge.
Marshmallows, thank you. I don't know if she really likes them. She keeps like, do you want this? No. But he's really cute. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is Tatlum. He's also young, like less than 2 years old young. Big boy though. Big guy.
big guy, big guy.
Big guy. Big guy. Oh, don't let him touch the lens. Sniff. Tatlum. Hi, Dotes. Hey guys, look who it is. It's our suicidal friend. That's the one I saved last week. Okay, do you want a treat? Look at this. Look it. Got a treat for you. There you go. Do you want it? They hate it. Oh. What was that? You gotta take the whole thing. It's pretty small. It's for like chihuahuas. Here you go. He's taking it away. The goats are suicidal. This goat, this little one, is the one that jumped in that frozen water trough last week. And I had to save him. Hi, do you smell some treats? Here. Oh, no, wait, did you like it? Do you want another one? Look. Oh. Ew! Do you know how to sit? No. Imagine. Sit! Sit! Livestock dogs. Sit! You can do it! You can do it! Okay, never mind, just take it. The goats want treats. She wants treat. It's treat for you. You like it? For you. Treat for you, little. Treat for goat. Okay. Treat for... They don't know what to do with it. Ew. Tatlum's back. Here, little friend that almost died. Yum snack. Yummy snack. Yay. Ew, Tatlum. He's so drooly. Ew, Tatlum. Okay, are you ready to learn how to sit? This is gonna be awesome. Okay, see this treat? Sit. 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 You're so close. Come here. Oh, sit. 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 He doesn't get it. You're so close. Come here. Sit. Oh. Sit. Tatlum. Can you sit? Oh. Sit. Ew. Okay, just take it. He doesn't need to frickin' sit. Why would he need to sit? Hi, little. Hi, little goats. You want a treat?
For you. Does anybody... Do you want? You want another one? Yum. Here you go. No.
People pug, wow.
Batman Smiles subbed for the first time.
Okay, yum. Good job, guys. There's one goat over here and 2 dogs. This goat,
He's evil?
no, he's not neutered. So he can't be with the other goats. Or else there will be lots of goats.
This is Case Jr. He's kind of old. Hi, handsome. What's wrong? I bought you some treats. I don't know if you like treats, but do you want... Oh, you okay? You didn't have to get up. Hi.
And that's Baton.
Do you want a treat?
People pug, wow.
Zoned 1 resubbed for 2
Have a
months.
treat. Yum. You could eat it. It's a snack for you. Yeah. Yum.
And this is Baton.
Miss? He likes it. Do you want a treat, Baton?
They're so, like, unsure about the whole treat thing.
Did you like? You want another one? Baton. Here you go. For Case.
People pug, wow.
Slick 6 subbed for the
Yay!
first
Good
time.
boy, good girl. Hi, little goat.
He will not take treats from my hands. I know that for sure. But I don't. Here, if I toss these, you want?
Here you go. For you. 2 more treats for the old doggies.
How many dogs does Eric have? 15, I think. Okay, he ran away.
Another treat for Baton. Another treat for Case. Look how cute she is. Oh. Here you go. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Case. Case. Psst, psst. Case. Psst, psst. For you. Okay, you had 3. I think that's good. Maybe 4.
Okay, this is the last one.
This is it. This is it. Here you go. That's all. Good girl. Good boy. Yay. So nice, Case. Nice. Nice lady. Hi.
They're brother and sister, these two. Like litter mates, brother and sister.
Oh, very nice. Very nice old man. Very nice.
People pug, wow.
Tom Car 98 resubbed for 2 months. 2.
Tom Carr, thank you for the 2 months. If it wasn't so cold, I would bring, when it gets a little warmer, maybe I'll bring a brush out here again, because he's got a lot of fur. Could be brushed out.
That's a nice sit, Baton. Wow. Look at her sitting.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. Oh, sorry. Psst. Psst. Baton. Hey. Psst. She likes them. She got one more. They're so cute.
Baton's the one that does the impressions, by the way. These are her impressions. This is her German Shepherd or Wolf impression. Both are pretty good. Her Greyhound impression. This is her baton impression. That's her dead dog impression. She's good at that one. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here. In this dark hotel room. They're 12. Case and baton.
Damn.
Yeah.
Unk.
Alright, chat, shall we go see the boys? Shall we go see the boys? Speaking of boys, little man's up. He's up! He's up and he's cute. And he's small. Whoa! Sometimes they stand up and they don't remember how to lay back down yet. Oh, W. That one was born yesterday, chat, so he's not even 24 hours old yet. He was born like last night. What do you think about the world so far? The economy's horrible. Crazy administration to be born under. You have not checked the news yet, have you? I'm just saying hi. You want more treats? Here you go. Bro missed all of Fortnite. You would not believe what happened to Nicki Minaj. Yeah, shit's crazy, dude. He's cute, huh, chat? Alright, we got one more pasture of dogs, and this is where my new boys are. So we can see them and not give them goat treats because they're too young. We can give other goats treats. Maybe we can give their mom some treats. That'd be nice. This is, we named her Bubbles last week. Hi. Come here. Hi. What do you think? She looks good. Really good. I can't give you any treats. You're too little. Sorry. Yeah, you're too small. Hi. Your ears are so long. Has anyone told you that? You want to see some Bubbles impressions? She does some as well. Never mind, she doesn't do any impressions. Soft. Hey Mom, if I gave you some treats, do you want? Do you want these? This for you. Do you want them? You can have it. Oh, a snack. Do you like? Bubbles, now's your chance, Loki. Like, you go over there, and then I'll hold these. Yeah, go over there. Asshole. Asshole. Never mind, Bubbles. Abort mission. Abort mission. Another time. Yeah, sorry. GG's. Chat, as sad as it is to watch her mom be mean to her, her mom is very clearly letting her nurse, because if she wasn't, Bubbles would be dead. But she's really healthy, and she's clean. So I think her mom's also been cleaning her up. Yeah. Have you ever been this tall before? Is it awesome? Everything the light touches is yours. Do you guys think she's stupid? What do you think she's thinking about right now?
The little legs.
They're actually pretty long. Oops, sorry. I was just showing you the length of her legs. They're quite long.
Little bubbles.
I got my nails done since we saw each other last. Yeah, careful. Thoughts? Bye. No, you can't come. No. You cannot come. You stay here.